followed by Mr. Vibhu Sharma, who is a physics faculty and campus head at Allen. Mr. Vibhu Sharma, it has been informed that he has been a magical guy, a magician in the field of physics. Students are in love with him. Are you in love with him or not? That will come to know after the panel discussion.
Yes. First of all, I would like to thank all of you. And so, should I take a drop is a very basic or common question with parents as well as the student. So, if you think that you should give your chance, because first of all, where we stand, like in 12th standard, you have many things to do apart from your NEET preparation. So now, if you are preparing for your school exam, simultaneously you are preparing for your NEET examination. So yes, definitely you will not get that much time. There are many variables if you see. So at that point of time, if you don't get selected, so that totally depends on the variable attached to it. It is not like your incapability or something. Yes, timings also matters. So the whole and sole thing about this preparation is the time. Whatever maximum time you can give for yourself, definitely you have a better chance of getting into this examination. So is it worth of giving 1 year? Yes, definitely it is worth. Reason is this medical exam, or as you know about MBBS followed by MD, then specialization. It's a very long journey. So, and obviously this profession is very noble, the best profession we can have uh, right now, what in my opinion, because it is a profession of responsibility. So if there's a long way to go, so definitely if you think that you should give yourself a chance for 1 year for this examination, then yes, definitely. And it's not about ki just for the sake of telling ki you should take 1 year drop. I've seen many examples, practical examples, my personal experience, student who was scoring like 213 after 12th examination. Then the girl took the drop, and 1 year of decent hard work, consistency, then she scored 613 marks. So this was my personal story I have seen. Usually parent ask, this is my score, whether if I take a drop, how much I can expect. It's totally depend. If the child is consistent, dedicated, yes, definitely the child will get into it. So it's not a matter of if I take one drop, so 100 marks increase. So if I have to increase four, yeah, so it doesn't work like this. So yes, it's a long journey. Yes, you should give a thought, because at the end you should not have that regret ki if I would have taken a chance, because whether you get selected or not selected, but at least you tried. And this is one of the best examination, or what we say reputed examination of the world. So just first of all, be proud of yourself that you are part of this examination, and at least you tried. You are one among the people among who tried for this examination. And yes, you should definitely give a shot, so that you don't have a regret in your future. If I would have tried, maybe in front of my name it would have been doctor instead of Mr. Yes or Miss. Yes. So yes, practical example which I have given you, definitely. Every profession has its importance, right? But if you are firm that you have to do whatever sir told right away about that boy, so that point is if you are firm that you have to do this profession, or you have to go in this profession only, then results will be better. So it doesn't matter where you are, the jump will be high from your end. So it's like just you have to focus on that. You have to do it in a year of time. In a year, and it this 270 days or 300 days, whatever you get, that is actually will definitely will change your life. You just, but you have to be more focused. And it's not what I've seen in my past experience. It totally depends on the consistency of the student. So it's not like you have to be a genius, or you have to be a very much uh, thing extraordinary to get into medical college. Yes, there are the rank and all that I can yes accept that. But yes, if you want to attain a decent seat in a decent government college, what is required is its consistency. Your 270 days consistency, and whatever you have your statistics like 95%, this 5%, this and all. So the point is, if you have consistency throughout the year, throughout 2 years of your preparation, definitely you'll get a seat. That is what my experience is. I have seen very normal students, like they are just working very much hard, struggling, but they didn't stop. And at the end of the year, they got this. So this is what my experience is. So it's not about I am just making you to know you take drop. Yeah, it's not like this, but yes, if you are firm that you want to do something which is apart from everything, and you should give yourself a chance, then definitely you should give, because this profession is not just a normal profession, which I told, it is a responsibility, and you should give, yes, a chance to yourself.